Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a teacher job interview. If you are applying for a teacher role in any institution, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top 10 most important commonly asked teacher job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on teacher job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you describe your teaching philosophy and how it influences your approach in the classroom? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your beliefs and values about education as well as your alignment with the school's educational goals, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, my teaching philosophy centers on creating a positive and inclusive learning environment where students feel motivated to explore and learn. I believe in fostering critical thinking and creativity, encouraging active student engagement, and tailoring lessons to meet diverse learning styles. Question number 2. How do you differentiate instruction to meet the needs of diverse learners in your classroom? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your ability to address diverse learning styles and teaching methods to meet individual student needs. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I use a variety of instructional strategies including differentiated instruction, collaborative learning, and incorporating technology. By assessing students' strengths and areas for growth, I tailor lessons to provide support where needed and challenge those who are ready for more advanced material. Question number 3. Can you provide an example of a challenging situation in the classroom and how you handled it? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your problem solving and classroom management skills as well as your ability to learn from challenges. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, during group activities, a disagreement arose among students. I addressed the issue promptly by facilitating a class discussion on effective communication and problem solving. This not only resolved the immediate conflict but also fostered a more positive and collaborative classroom culture. Question number 4. How do you incorporate technology and digital tools into your teaching to enhance student learning? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your familiarity with educational technology and more importantly, your commitment to integrating it effectively into the curriculum. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I leverage technology as a tool to enhance learning experiences. For example, I use interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and online resources to engage students and make lessons more dynamic. Basically, this approach helps students develop digital literacy skills and stay connected to real-world applications of their learning. Question number 5. How do you assess student progress and what methods do you use to provide constructive feedback? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your approach to assessment, feedback, and your commitment to student growth. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I use a variety of formative and summative assessments to gauge student understanding. Regular feedback is crucial and I provide constructive comments both written and verbally. Additionally, I encourage students to self-assess, fostering a sense of ownership in their learning journey. Question number 6. How do you collaborate with parents and guardians to support student success? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your communication and collaboration skills with parents as well as your understanding of a strong home-school connection. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I maintain open communication channels with parents through regular updates, newsletters, and parent-teacher conferences. Collaborating with parents is essential for a student's holistic development, and I welcome their insights and involvement in their child's education. Question number 7. What strategies will you use to create an inclusive and culturally responsive classroom environment? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your commitment to diversity and inclusion, and more importantly, your ability to create an environment that respects and values all students. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I incorporate diverse perspectives into the curriculum, celebrate various cultural events, and provide literature that represents different backgrounds. Additionally, I establish clear expectations for respectful behavior and foster a classroom culture where every student feels seen, heard, and appreciated. Question number 8. How do you handle a student who is struggling academically or behaviorally in your class? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your classroom management skills as well as your commitment to supporting individual student needs. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I approach struggling students with empathy and conduct a thorough assessment to understand their challenges. I collaborate with support staff and involve parents in developing a tailored plan. By providing additional resources, modifying assignments, and offering targeted support, I aim to help each student succeed. Question number 9. How do you stay updated on current educational trends, research, and best practices in teaching? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your commitment to professional development and staying informed about advancements in education. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I regularly attend professional development workshops, engage in educational conferences, and subscribe to reputable journals. Networking with colleagues and participating in online communities allows me to stay informed about current trends, research, and best practices in education. Question number 10. Can you share an example of a successful project or initiative you implemented in your classroom to enhance student engagement or achievement? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your creativity and your ability to implement innovative practices to enhance the learning experience. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I introduced a project-based learning unit where students collaborated to create a multimedia presentation on a historical event. This not only increased engagement but also allowed students to demonstrate a deeper understanding of the content. The success of this project inspired a continued focus on incorporating hands-on and collaborative projects into my teaching. So there you have it, 10 most important commonly asked teacher job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on teacher job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also give a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.